and welcome to Cosmic Clouds AG. First, click the link in the description below. It should take you to a Google Drive folder. Now, click on the Shoe Patterns document. Click the Printer button, then click the Share button, click Print, click Print once more. Now it should print out, and all you have to do is cut out your patterns. Enjoy! Start by cutting 2 of the shoe bottom piece on foam paper. Glue both of these pieces together. Now, trace and cut out the shoe back pattern onto felt. Next, glue the piece you just cut out onto the back of your shoe. Now, trace and cut out the shoe top pattern onto felt. Now, glue the piece you just cut out onto the front of your shoe as seen on screen. Now, cut a 2.5-inch long ribbon and glue it to the back of your shoe as seen on screen. Now add decorations. I put a small flower on the side. Just like before, cut out 2 of the shoe bottom pattern onto foam paper and glue them together. Now trace and cut the shoe back extended pattern onto felt. Next, cut 3 holes on both sides. This is going to be where the shoelaces will be. Just like before, glue this piece to the back of your shoe. Next, trace and cut the shoe top pattern onto felt. Now, glue this to the front of the shoe as shown on screen. Now, cut and trace the shoe tongue pattern onto felt. Now, glue this inside the front of your shoe. Now cut a 15-inch long ribbon. This will be the shoelaces. Now lace the boots just like how you would lace up your shoelaces. This part took a while. Now, cut and trace the white shoe front onto computer paper. Now, glue this to the front of your shoe and you're done! Once again, cut and trace 2 of the shoe bottom pattern onto foam paper. Then, glue them together. Now, cut and trace the high top's back pattern onto felt. Now, glue the piece you just cut onto the back of your shoe. Next, trace and cut the shoe top pattern onto felt. Glue this piece to the front of your shoe as shown on screen. Now, cut and trace the high top shoe tongue pattern onto felt. Once again, glue this in the inside front of your shoe. Now, cut and trace the white shoe top pattern onto computer paper. Now, glue this piece to the front of your shoe. Now, cut a 13-inch long ribbon to lace up your shoe, and you're done!